Okay, so now I'm going to take some buttercream, and this is the snow, so it's going to be all rough. I don't want to come out all the way to the edge of the board because I want to see some of that red board, because again, that's kind of what's going to pop this cake, is that red background. I mean, imagine it on white background, it wouldn't look so hot, huh? And then black, I didn't want to use, a lot of times I'll use black, but since the hat was black, I didn't want to go with that. So this is where I'm going to cover up that paper. See, and I said it wasn't going to be a big deal if you didn't get your edges perfect. So I'm just going to go all the way around like this, just very rough, going kind of in and out. I don't want it to be perfect, like a perfect line here. I want it to be quite uneven. Okay, we're in the home stretch. Last thing I wanted to do was add some snowflakes here. And what I did is just took some of that blue fondant from the eye, mixed it with a little bit more white to marbleize it a bit. Using my plungers, snowflake plungers, you cut them out, go like this with your finger, and then push down, and then pop these out, and it makes a cute little design. If you actually let these dry ahead of time, then they will actually, you'll be able to sit some of them up. But these I didn't, so we're just going to lay them flat, pop some over here, one up here, 1, 3, 5, 7, remember? And then a little bit of snow, more of the edible glitter, I should say, on the snow, like so, around the base. And the last thing I wanted was actually a few little candy canes, just to add a little bit more red down there so it's not so blah. And there you have it, Mr. Snowman. Fairly easy cake, but it is a cutout, so it's a little bit different than just a sheet cake. All right, so happy holidays, everyone.